Hello world, David Gutierrez here with MAC in New Braunfels coming to you again. Now today we're gonna switch it up a little bit, keep the cost down, keep the quality up. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Now this home right here is equipped with fully taped and textured, or an option to be able to have partial tape and texture to keep the cost down. We do have a 10 by 14 living room ceiling fan LED, also with a built-in entertainment center too as well. And we do have your full stainless steel appliances too as well, with your black gooseneck farm sink, ventilated. Also with your flat top surface stove. Now here, this home comes with a washer and dryer. It is equipped with a stackable. Now you do see a 36 by 60 stand-up shower. They can't get no better than that. And over here, we got a 10 by 11 primary bedroom with a ceiling fan too as well, LED with a barn door. All right guys, now here with us here at MAC too as well, we provide all manufacturers, and we also provide deliveries all around Texas too and the surrounding states. So like and subscribe. I'll hear from you soon.